Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a shrimp linguine in a real easy to make tomato and white wine sauce. This dish is quite elegant yet simple enough to make as a weeknight meal. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's great to have you here, and for those returning, welcome back. To see how I put this shrimp linguine together, keep on watching. I'm going to go over quickly what I'm using to make this dish. So here I have some cherry tomatoes, uncooked shrimp, fresh parsley, some butter, some fresh garlic, linguine pasta, olive oil, salt and pepper, and some dry white wine. I am using Pinot Grigio. You can also use some Sauvignon Blanc. However, if you don't have white wine, you can substitute that for equal amount of chicken broth. I will leave the list of ingredients and the measurement down below in the description bar. So here I have my shrimp already peeled and deveined. Now I'm going to prep the parsley, tomatoes and garlic. Finally chop some parsley. You will need to chop enough to fill a quarter cup. Next, cut the cherry tomatoes in half. I like to leave a few whole and throw that in there as well. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Once that is done, you're going to set that aside for a few minutes while cooking the linguine. You will need to have that ready before the sauce and the shrimp is ready. To cook the linguine, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil over high heat. Add some salt and a tad bit of olive oil. Cook for approximately 9 to 10 minutes. Once that's cooked, drain and rinse under running water to stop the cooking process. I like to toss my pasta in a bit of olive oil to prevent it from sticking together while I cook the shrimp and the sauce. Now that the linguine is ready, I'm going to go ahead and start making the tomato wine sauce and cook the shrimp. In a large saucepan, add a drizzle of olive oil followed by a half a stick of butter. Once the butter has been melted, go ahead and add the minced garlic and cook just until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Next, add a bit of red pepper flakes. Give that a stir, then pour in half a cup of white wine or your chicken broth if that's what you're using. Allow that to simmer uncovered until the liquid has reduced to about half. Now that the liquid has been reduced to my satisfaction, I'm going to go ahead and add the tomatoes, giving it a good toss so it's well coated in the liquid. Allow that to simmer while stirring constantly until the tomatoes just starts to soften, about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add the shrimp. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Give that a good mix. Cover and allow to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Do not overcook the shrimp, as doing so will give it a rubbery texture. After cooking the shrimp for 5 to 6 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. Add the parsley followed by the cooked linguine. Toss everything together really well so that the linguine will be properly coated in the sauce. transfer it to a serving dish and enjoy. This can be served topped with some Parmesan cheese and a side of garlic bread for the perfect Italian style dish. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining us so we can all learn together. And if you ring the bell, you will be notified whenever I have a new upload. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye guys.